Welcome to Electron. Now we'll try to find ways of finding the parametric equations. So the question is how to derive them. Now we're going to start with a very simple example so you can see the technique, and we've already seen that if we have circular equations, then of course you already know that x and y equal the cosine of x, or the cosine of t and the sine of t. But in this case, what if we have y equals x squared? How do we find the parametric equations? Well, you typically start by saying let x equal some function of t. And you want to make that as simple as possible. So in this case, you may want to start with saying let x equals t. And then you plug that into the equation y equals x squared. Now in this case, it's a simple parabola. So since we have y equals x squared, and x is now defined as t, then you write this as t squared. Replace every x by t, so we have y equals t squared and x equals t as being the parametric equations that define the parabola y equals x squared. So that's how we do it. Of course, it's not always this simple, but at least let's start with a simple example, and then we'll work our way up to some more difficult examples. And that's how it's done.